You've got this exciting idea, a plan, and the drive. But now, you've come across a fork in the road. Where should you incorporate your business? California or Delaware? Let's break it down. Before we get started, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about topics designed to help save you time and money. You might have heard a lot about businesses incorporating in Delaware. In fact, over 60% of Fortune 500 companies are incorporated there. Pretty impressive, right? But why is that? First, Delaware's corporate laws are, well, friendly. They offer flexibility in business operations, which many startups find attractive. For example, Delaware companies can take actions like stock splits or mergers without holding a meeting. Talk about efficiency. Another benefit of Delaware is its Chancery Court. This court is specially designed to deal with business disputes. The judges there are experienced in complex corporate matters, and they usually resolve cases faster than your regular courts. Now let's talk money. Delaware's franchise taxes can be more favorable, especially for startups without a lot of assets. And who doesn't want to save some bucks in the early stages? But hey, California has its perks too. If your main operations and customers are in California, it might make sense to incorporate there. There's something to be said about keeping things local. Plus, if you incorporate in Delaware but do business in California, you might end up paying fees in both states. Ouch. One more thing about California. It's big, and with size comes a diverse economy and a large consumer base. In 2019, California's gross state product was over $3 trillion. That's more than some countries. So what's the takeaway? If you want a state with well-established corporate laws and potential tax benefits, Delaware might be your guy. But if you're deeply rooted in California and want to cater to its massive market, then the Golden State could be your golden ticket. To receive world-class help incorporating your business, please visit legalregistration.com, or you're welcome to call our experts at 877-955-7111. Also, which state are you leaning towards? California or Delaware? Drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about important information designed to protect your time and money.